Hi, you're watching Makayla's Playground, and today we're reading a bedtime story. I forgot to tell you, hello my reading friends. I know you're stuck at home. I'm stuck at home too because there's a lot of them. So we're reading our virtual friend David. So let's read. As we read, David goes to school.
Can you say David?
No, David. If you haven't got a copy, go get it so you can read along with it. And David Goes to School by David Shannon.
Okay, can you show me the page? Okay.
But you have to face it this way when you are working on my video.
Oh, okay.
David's teacher always said, "No, David, no yelling, no pushing, no running in the hall." David, you're tardy. That means you're late, guys. Sit down, David. Don't chew gum in class. That's a lot of gum I've ever seen.
Wow.
David, raise your hand. Okay. She's really mad. Keep your hands to yourself. Pay attention. Oh, you see right there? Oh my gosh. That's a dinosaur cloud.
Yeah.
It says, wait your turn, David. Look at what David's doing. I don't care who started it. David, recess is over. Shh. Again? Oh, that's it, mister. You're staying after school. Oh my gosh. Look at what he did. He colored on the paper.
Oh no.
David, have you finished? Good job, David. Yes, David. You can go. If you have any more David books, you can get David Gets in Trouble, or you can get No David. If you can just order on Amazon if you want to get them. You can just choose whatever book you want. Like on the back it says, "I will not disrupt my class."
Good job.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another David Goes to School by David Shannon video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Remember to like and subscribe. You can click this or this. Come on, choose one. Good night. I hope you have a good night, and remember, stay clear with your mom. I love you. Turn off.